In Japan, the symbol of 𝗄𝒡, the plum flower, is used throughout the year, not just in spring. The gentle 𝗄𝒡 blossom became a symbol of happiness and longevity, as they are strong enough to grow in the cold late winter and early spring. In art, the 𝗄𝒡 flowers represent elegance and dignity, which is why they are often added in paintings or textile decorations. In the art of gift wrapping, the plum blossom symbolizes the wish for closeness or a tight relationship between the giver and receiver. It's not a coincidence that the material used to recreate the 𝗄𝒡 is in fact a special code, the Mizuhiki. Here is what I will be using today. Yuzen Washi paper, solid color paper, 𝗄𝒡 Musubi Mizuhiki decoration, double-sided tape, Washi tape. You can easily get these from our wrapping kit. I've added a link to the description so you can check it out. In this kit, I've personally selected my favorite wrapping materials so that you too will be able to create extraordinary gifts for friends and family. Cut the accent paper in the same size as the main paper. I recommend using a solid color paper for this one, so you can showcase the 𝗄𝒡 Musubi Mizuhiki design well. Wrap the main paper around the box tightly and secure it with washi tape. Next, take the accent paper and fold it 6 times at one end. Check that the size of the fold is a little wider than the 𝗄𝒡 Musubi Mizuhiki. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except for the first fold. Bring the second and third creases toward yourself at the halfway point to create the pleats. Fold the rest of the creases away from yourself. Cut a little away from the 6th crease so you can fold back the end. Secure the pleats with 2 or 3 strips of washi tape. Add 2 strips of double-sided tape a little in from each edge. Now, stick the pleats onto the center of the box. Finish up the wrapping in the usual way. For more detailed step-by-step instructions, please check out the video description. I'll list some links to the videos that show you how to wrap different boxes in neat presentations. Lastly, layer up all the edges of the pleats so they show well. This is why we placed the double-sided tape a little in from the edges earlier. Attach the 𝗄𝒡 Musubi Mizuhiki to finish up the design. I'm using one with a thin elastic band, so it can be easily attached to any package. By the way, this is also included in a kit during this holiday season, along with scissors, washi tape, and more. If you are creating your own umemusubi mizuhiki, you can attach it with an elastic thread, twine, ribbon, or simply tape or glue it directly onto the package. This is a perfect package for someone important in your life. Take this chance to share with them the meaning of the plum blossom and cherish and celebrate your close relationship with them. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and share and let me know in a comment below. See you in the next video.